Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on the Python input function. In this video, we will explore what the input function is, how to use it, and learn some practical application examples. Let's get started. The input function allows us to accept user inputs during program execution, making our programs more interactive and responsive to user interactions. To begin, we define a variable to store the user input and then use the input function to prompt the user for input. Code. Name =, input. Please enter your name. Print. Hello, plus name plus. Welcome to our tutorial. In this example, we use the input function to prompt the user for their name. The entered response is stored in the variable name. We then print a personalized greeting using the entered name. You can utilize the input function in various ways to process user inputs in your programs. Now let's explore some practical application examples to see how the input function can be used in different scenarios. Example 1. Calculating age. Imagine you want to calculate a person's age. You can use the input function to ask for the birth year and calculate the age. Example 2. Simple user poll. Let's consider a scenario where you want to conduct a simple user poll. You can use the input function to ask users for their opinions on a specific topic, such as their favorite color, food, or movie. That concludes our tutorial on the Python input function. We have learned what the input function is, how to use it, and explored some practical application examples. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. In the info card, I have linked the playlist for you to explore more programming topics. Remember to subscribe and like the video, or a Cessna will crash into your house. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.